Well, this is a quick video because I'm just super excited because she finally gets a new motor. So I picked this thing up. It's from a 07 Mazdaspeed 3. 110 miles. Pretty much everything was already updated on it. VVT. Pretty much did all the maintenance. Healthy motor. The seller was a really cool guy. So yeah, he had everything ready to go. And I even got it with a nice X clutch. It came with it, but I mean, he was gonna sell it separate, but it was taking too long to come off. So yeah, dope. So he went ahead and just let it go all together, which was awesome for a great price. As you already know, I already have a clutch on this one, the ACT, but it's all good. I'm gonna just toss this one in, and we're gonna build the motor that's in that one. Obviously, that's gonna probably be a wild project. We're not gonna even time that one, but I'm just ready to get this thing inside and get it running again, man. I really miss this thing. Hold on. Yeah. You guys can already tell we did with the front mount intercooler. 3.5 inch intake from JBF. We updated on the map sensor. It's not OEM. Should have been on the OEM one, you know, like caved, but it's all good. Still was working like no issue at all. Like the check engine light went away from that. But as you can see, the Damon or Diamond, that's definitely Damon. The Damon motor mounts, and you can't really see it back here. Hold on, man. So right here we got the BNS R4 turbo back there. So all of this. Oh, and you can't see that in between there. We got the Damon PCB plate as well. So, as you can tell, I got these numbered because I was actually doing the compression test. Yeah, that one definitely was like that one had a little pressure, and everything else was pretty much no pressure at all. I wish I can do it like right now, but I'm gonna have to grab me a engine hoist, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So majority of things that's on this one though, we're gonna like a lot of things we don't need. Yeah, so because this one I did the VTCS delete on this one. Obviously I'm gonna be the intake on this one that's gonna go bye-bye, and I'm gonna put that one on this one. What else? So this will be gone. It's awesome. This one it has the high pressure fuel pump updated on it, which is awesome, so I don't have to probably put mines on this one. What else? The EGR delete kit from Damon I'm going to be putting on this one, so we're going to get rid of this ugly little thing. So we're going to get rid of that, and this is going to go, and then what else what else? That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the engine itself anyways. Not much that we're gonna bring over. As you can tell, for the 07, they have like the valve cover is a lot different. Like the design of the I forgot what you call this thing, but as you can see, you can look at that, and we can find that right there. This one has like a little ugly curve to it, so I actually prefer the Gen 1 valve cover a lot more. Yeah. So yeah, it's a lot. So when we start taking this apart, definitely clean it up a bit. It's a little dusty, nothing crazy. We're gonna probably swap out the oil filter, you know, to the actual the spin on like this one, because that one's trash. By next week, this will be in here, and this will be sitting outside just waiting for me to molest it. I don't know. So I'm just leave the video there, guys. Definitely looking forward to it. Super anxious. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Let's see what we can make this thing do. All right, peace.